Philadelphia Eagles are probably going to go to the Super Bowl. But anyway, Dietz Watson is a meat company, and they're based in Philly. And so every week when there's a playoff game or something, they have this giant food truck that goes around and passes out swag and hot dogs with green buns.
Interesting.
I just think it's fun. So today, if you're in Philadelphia from noon to 3, they're out there right now. And then from 4 to 6, you can go to a different location. And then next week, same thing, another tailgate. Anyway, they're pretty fun. If you go to, what did I find? I found their Instagram somewhere that was crazy. There was, here it is, To Our Social. They had all kinds of people out there raising hell and eating these green hot dogs. It's pretty funny. Getting all excited. I'm trying to find this one guy that didn't have a shirt on. Where'd he go? He's not on here. He was kind of gross anyway, so I don't want to show him. I don't really have anything to add about that except I hope the Eagles lose the playoff, but because we're Dallas people down here, y'all, and that's all I got about that.